Hi, it's me again. I want to talk to you about why we think tilt and turn windows are so awesome.
Hi, my name's Theo Stevens. I'm the founder of Bright Idea Egress and Brighter Basements Egress. You can find us on the website at brightideaegress.com or brighterbasements.com. We build the best egress window systems that you can buy. Thanks for watching.
First of all, depending on where the window is relative to the top of the window, if you use an outswing casement window, you're precluded from opening it if you put a cover on it. Imagine you had to crank this window out with the window well positioned here. You'd be precluded from doing so. So on the tilt and turn, here's the action. Turn the handle from the inside, you can escape, right? Now, you shut the window, you can vent it. Hopefully you can see here the space for ventilation. So a few things happen here. You can ventilate with security that you can't do otherwise. If it's raining and you get weather coming in, the weather hits the glass and naturally deflects down. You can open the window to clean it. And it's got multi-points attachment points for closing the window so the thing seals really well. We order these by the truckload. They're super high quality windows. When we order them by the truckload, we can specify the glass, as you may have seen in a prior demo, the security glass feature. We can also spec the exterior stucco frame, a stucco flange that works really well with our system.